Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet and we're already out. We also trade offline, and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Okay, let's do a quick sound check, get that out of the way. Sounds good. Start with the 15-minute chart like I always do. I thought I would come in a little bit earlier today, but I was doing some coding on my 50-50 strategy. I'm calling my 50-50 strategy. I think I finished it, so I'm going to run it and test it. I'm going to run it on Sim 101. That is today. It's not even a forward test. It's just a troubleshooting, just to see if there's any bugs. It's a beta test to see if there's any bugs in the system, and it runs well. Anyways, let's start with the 15-minute chart like I always do. I missed the trade in oil. I'm going to try and get that up and show you guys. 15-minute. Asian session is the gray box. We've swept the lows of the Asian session, but we haven't yet swept the highs. If we manage to sweep the highs before the open of the New York session, I would be inclined to think that we're going to go back to the lows of the Asian session. Sounds a little complicated, but basically if we do a double tap, expect a triple tap. Right now, we're butting our heads up against the previous day's close, which is the black dotted line. I'm fighting a cough here. Let me get it out of the way. Yeah, we're butting our heads up against the previous day's close. So that might hold back price. The previous day's close is pretty much where the London session highs are. That's the blue box. So, I don't really have a bias today because we're above the midnight open. We're above VWAP. That's bullish. We're at the high of the London session. That's bullish. But we're also at the high of the London session. While that's bullish, that could be holding us back, acting as resistance. And right at that level, we have the previous day's close. So we got two price points, two levels that can be holding us down. And anyways, above that, we got the previous day's high at 22,300 and the dotted dash green line on top. So we are 100 points away from that, about 80, let's say. And finally, the previous day's low at 22,118 right there at the bottom. It's the red dash line. 118.2, that's about also low. That's 100 points away. Jobless claims came out. That was pretty much of a non-event. It always is. The week of the jobless claims never really never amounts to much. Look at the levels on the 30-minute chart. You know what? That's an interesting area. It's funny, we have this Little zone that we were watching for a while. See if we can get through it. I remember last week we finally got above it. And now it's kind of acting as support, and it's created its own little... It's interesting. I think I'm going to mark that in. It's a big one. This whole little area, wow, it's like this whole 22,150, this whole 100-point range is supporting price right now. And we are in a pretty strong bullish market. I'm going to put that in like that. If you look at the daily, we never got below the 100 moving average. I mean, we wicked it, but we never closed below it. We did close below the 50 moving average. That's the black line, or in this case over here. But didn't stay below it long. Yeah, now we're in a strong market. We're kind of leveling off here. I guess taking a breather, taking a break. We'll see what the day brings us. I'm going to be trading the opening drive, so good morning, Only Futures Trading. I'm going to be trading the opening drive, so I'm going to put that up. That's pretty much going to be my first trade. I think I'll be taking a 4 lot on my PA account that I traded yesterday. I lowered the size a little bit. Let's try to recoup some of that money back before we get too aggressive on it, but I think that's an excellent system, and I think it's going to do well for us. Aside from that, I'm trading Counter-Strike on my Bulenox account. You guys don't get to see that, unfortunately, but I'll let you know what's happening. I can log in at the end of the day and show you that account. And finally on Sim. Like I said, on Sim, I'm going to be running my new 50-50 that runs off this chart over here. And the last entry, if it would have had one, would have been long right over here. After a blue background paint, you get a close below the midline is the entry, so that was the long. Good morning, Vietnam. Just looking, we would have had a short over here, would have had a long over here, a short, and a long. But now we're waiting for the next short. But I'm going to keep it on the opening drive play, and markets are opening in 5 minutes. So I got to get ready to trade. Trump has spoken, I heard. No good. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. In case I remember, when I'm in a trade, don't say anything. Did you bring your slippers? Seriously, what job can you do that you like this, huh? Sorry about the cough. Opening drive, I have it set up, but it's on the wrong chart. Oh, it needs to be on the 1 minute chart. Why is it on the wrong chart? What happened? Renko 2416, 30 Renko, yep. Wow, it's a good thing I noticed. I would not have been happy had I lost money. It needs to be MNQ, 1 minute chart. There we go. Okay, it's set up properly. Now we're ready to go. Going to be using the channel as my accountability partner. Let you know what I'm thinking, feeling, what trades I want to enter, and why. Hopefully that'll keep me from doing any stupid mistakes, like I just wanted to go short now for no reason. 3 minutes before the market's open. The time's up there now. Hmm? Wow, you still have so much buildup, eh? Okay, before the markets open, we can just look quickly, see if there's any divergence. Wow, is this serious?
I got notes from Seville. I didn't even open them. I didn't even look at them. Oh, your shit is probably good enough.
Well, this is interesting. NQ, you can see on the left side, is a lot stronger than ES. So let's see who pulls who. But I am hoping the opening drive, which is going to start, markets are going to open in a minute and a half. I guess I'm hoping it goes long, but who knows? Yep, NQ is showing a lot of strength compared to ES. "45 seconds. Wow, it's hard not to think that we don't blast right through. Which account am I going to start trading? Let's stick with what I traded yesterday. I had luck with it. It's a 25K account. I'll be doing 2 lots. What's that price? 04. 18 is the long. Markets are opened in 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. And we start off lower. Let's see if we get back up to 18. I think we will. I got in early. I hope I don't pay for it. Thankfully, it's only a 1 lot. I'm only doing 2 lots on this account because it is... I guess I will get out at 97 if I'm wrong. I'll put in my stop just in case. Sell stop market. Hey, wood chip. I'm in early. Why did I get in early? Because I don't know, I kind of thought, wow. Wow. First minute is over. Let's see what the volatility goes to, but it's low, 7 points. Average range on the 1 minute candles. Where did it go to? 8. I don't know. I think we're going to head higher. Go for that. We already tapped into the previous day's close just a few minutes ago, about 10 minutes ago. There we go. I'll add. So I'm in at 17.25. System's in at 18. That was a very quick 5 points that I kind of would have wanted to take a piece off just to reduce my risk. Hopefully I'll get a second chance. I really don't like the way it rejected off the previous day's close. Not touching this. Well, I'm able to add because it's beyond the halfway point. Hopefully I'll get an opportunity to get out of my extras and make my entry a better price. But that rejection off the previous day's close was pretty nasty and pretty fast. Come on, go a little higher. Take out another one of my pieces. Now I gotta get out. I'm fully out. Okay, we switch accounts. Now we go to account number 26. That's a full loss. I'm angry already that I lost. But that's okay. We'll stick to our plan. Opening drive. Why did an opening drive go short? Oh, it did. It's probably on the wrong account. Opening drive. Give me a second. Give me a second. Excuse me for the throat. Wow, my throat, it's annoying. Okay, there's the opening drive trade. Got in a little bit late, but 93, I think if it goes 20 points. You see what that was the midnight open there. But we just touched. Now we're going to reverse off that again. Hopefully we can break through it. Let's go. I'm only got 10 points on that. I don't want to take a piece off at 10 points. There, that's 20 points. I took one piece off. 73, that's 20 points. I'll take another piece off. You know what? That'll reduce my risk. The rest I'm going to let run. I'm going to try and get maybe 80 points on this if I get lucky. Opening drive is a reliable trade, so the rest we let go. So that's it for me. Now I'm just looking for I'm just looking to trade Renko now. I showed this chart before if you want to take a look. NQ 5 minute. How much stronger it is compared to ES. They're kind of matched up against each other. I think the ES chart is a little bit fatter. That's why it's trading hours. Bar wick? No, only one. Candle wick 3. Maybe I'll make candle wick 2. Won't be so dark. But yep. NQ is quite a bit stronger. Anyways, let's get back to the opening drive. My stop is the upper price channel line, which will start to come down in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in about 3 minutes from now. So I have big risk now for the next 3 minutes. and then it'll start to come down. But when you're going for big moves, you got to expect the markets to move against you a little bit also. And Renko, I'll be looking for a short. I can put that up. I think I have it right here. I'll be looking for the Renkos to go short again. It's going to be pretty much right on the midnight open, true open. So first fair value gap just got filled. It was a bearish fair value gap. That's an interesting concept, an interesting trade, but I just can't see how to find a setup for that without just keep probing and probing. Missed a trade in oil that I'll show you later. It's a very interesting trade. I gotta set up the chart. I coded that also. It's called, it's just called Crude Inside Bar. And we're going to be running, hold on. I'm also running 50-50, which is another strategy I coded last night. I finished coding. I'm going to just take a quick check-in on it. Ah, it almost could have gone short. Wow, that would have been interesting. I'm watching a lot of things, but all of them are automated. Really, manually, I'm just trading the Renkos, which you guys can see over here.
They're news to do.
Waiting for the Renkos to go short. I'm following it on a different chart, so this bar doesn't count. I have it on a little bit different settings, but that chart pretty closely matches. Now let's take a dump lower. Still holding the opening drive. Like I said, I want to get 80 points on what I'm left. 80 points, 2 lot, that'll be $300 plus the 170 I made. It'll be a $400 trade. Al, it's coming close. Any news at 10?
Yellow.
Yellow. I'll disable Counter-Strike.
Yeah, no, yellow's not.
So yeah, I'm running three automated strategies today. One is beta testing to see if there's errors in the code. That's 50-50. The other one is the inside bar on crude. And the final third one is the opening drive, which is automated, which is what we're watching. I take partials, so manually. I didn't code that in. Well, I really thought we would blast higher on the open. I gotta get into the habit of muting the mic when I'm clearing my throat. Put the line on 9:30. Counter-Strike didn't take a trade yet. But while we're watching opening drive, going against me a little bit, let's take a quick look at the 50-50. I'm curious to see if it takes its trade. I think it's trading in account 102 or 101, I'm not sure. But look, there's an error in the code. Look. Okay, I did an error in the code. I gotta figure out what it is. It's not supposed to be doing that. I told you I was bug testing it, but that is where it's supposed to enter. Let me just close that last order if I can. I'm gonna drive the system crazy. I don't even know if I can catch it. I can't catch it. I'm gonna follow along with this trade. Shit. If that doesn't get filled, my system is hanging now. I can't trade. There we go. Now I can trade. No, still not yet. But there you go. Now put in the buy stop and the buy limit. Wow, I don't know about you. I'm completely off, eh? Okay, guys. We're having a bit of a problem here because my charts are very off. So I gotta flatten everything. All strategies are closed. I gotta close down. So, and reboot. I think my 50-50 did some damage there. That error that you guys saw. So give me a few seconds. I'm gonna go dark. Let me just make sure that I have the mic so I can keep. Okay, I am going to go dark. I will be here, but I'm going to go dark for about 2 minutes. While I completely close down my system and reboot. Oh, I know what I should have put. I should have put the lo-fi music. Or the music that was going on. Okay, let me go. Just see, like I said, I gotta go dark because I don't know where all my passwords are and stuff, and I don't know where it shows, so I just put on a... Just put up a black screen for now. Well, that was disappointing. 2 losses in a row for opening drive, but not a big deal. Opening drive usually has good weeks. And it's up already this week over 100 points, so that's about the average. But I'm going to hang tough. Today wasn't a bad day. Especially since I took a partial. I'm almost back up. Just be patient. Okay, there you go. I'm back. I gotta make sure everything is in sync. And I gotta take 50-50 off. Because I am certain that's the one that caused the problem. Remove. I gotta fix the code. Wow, look at that. On opening drive, it just did a complete Ceftila. Closed just a little bit above. Took me out and now collapsed. Let me check the data box on that just to see. 0825 and the Danchin channel 0750 by 3/4 of a point. Anyways, I had to get out. But this trade was a nice trade here. The 50-50 trade was beautiful. Yeah, it's too bad I can't disable trading and just... I can't. Okay, put up my... Okay, so what am I waiting for now? I'm pretty much waiting for a short. And I do have to say, I am surprised that Counter-Strike hasn't taken one trade yet. That's kind of odd. Gotten below midnight open. True open. Okay, I'm going to do a trading recap today. And that's going to be an interesting one because since I started, opening drive has been bringing in, giving me troubles. But the account only lost $4, so hey, I'm not going to complain about that. And the sim, forget it. Guys, I'm in the wrong account. And I'm short at, supposed to be short at 55 and I'm short at 57. A little worse. Why am I in the wrong account? Because I didn't open up my other accounts yet in time. So I'm just going to take what it gives me. It was $150. I'm happy with that. I didn't get a chance to open up my proper account. Target filled. Oh, I like that. Target filled. That's the Counter-Strike. Didn't even notice it traded. So I'm going to continue with this chart. There you go. Now my other accounts are open. I'm going to continue with this PA account since I started with it. This is my next PA account, and it's supposed to trade 8 lots. It's a 150K account. I'm eager to show you guys the oil trade. I'll set up the charts once the market slows down a little bit.
Fix.
I'm in short. I'm supposed to be short at 48. I'm unfortunately short at 46. So I'm going to try and get a better price of 50. There you go. Now my average price is 48.50, which is perfect for an 8 lot. Covered a piece because I just don't want to take risk. And I'm going to let this one go. Let's see if it can give me... oh, Counter-Strike is short. Let's go, Counter-Strike. Hit me another one. Go, 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 go. You're so close. Stop. Go. There we go. Target filled. Counter-Strike, 2 for 2. And since Counter-Strike took profit, I'm going to take another piece off. Let's go. Fill it. There you go. It's fun when you have automated strategies making money for you on the side while I'm trading the Renkos. I like it. Take some of the workload off. Order filled. I'm going to order fill one also. And now this last one I let go. Take my hands off the mouse. Let it go where it wants to go. We'll see. Where did this go short again? I forgot. 34 plus 14. 48. 52. 62? No, wait a minute. How's that possible? 34 plus 14.
Where did this go 14, short? It went short at
48. And I'm short at 51. Okay, better price. And actually, I can move my stop to 48 now even. You're doing good. Why are you in a bad mood? There, that's my stop.
Repeated. I'm going dark 5 times in like less than 60 seconds.
That's enough to put you in a bad mood.
Bro, my brain's concentrating. I'm looking. I'm hearing the same thing repeat. Like it's like a TikTok. The same thing repeating 6 times in like 60 seconds.
Yeah, it could be annoying. I could see that.
I'm confused why you gotta say 9
48, 41. Drop my stop down to 41. Well, it's like being a...
I want the big one.
Oh, nice, 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 nice. I don't even know where my stop should be anymore. Can you check the top of this candle, please? 27. I'm just gonna let it go as far as it wants to go. My stop is at 28.50 is good. Yeah, let's get a 12, 15 bar. You know what? Let you guys watch it. I'm gonna put it on the Renko. I'm short the Renkos. So until I get a blue bar, I'm staying short, and as each new bar forms, I'm going to continue short. 21. I can move my stop net at. No, wait, it's not 21. It's wrong. It's up there. It's 2 bars. It's 28 now. I got taken out. Oh well, I made a mistake.
27.
Yeah. I made a mistake. But I had fun. Counter strike, 2 for 2. Oil looks like it went 3 for 3 already. Wow, nice. Can't wait to show you guys the chart. Meantime, let me save the template. Template, save as. Fuck off.
It wasn't letting me take it.
Fuck off.
It actually wasn't letting me take it.
Yeah.
It was just hanging.
Yeah.
I clicked close and he put a buy up where my thing was. I was like, hey.
Oh shit, it's short again.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
No, really? Cancel, cancel, cancel. I'll go for a half a lot. Shit, I'm chased.
Take it.
Go, go, go. One more bar, I'll take it. One more bar. One more bar. One more bar. Take it here, whatever it is. Give it to me. The markets are dumping. It's going fast. I can't see. Fuck. Well, this is a fun day. Too bad I'm not copy trading, and it's too bad the first trade lost, but it's okay. Wow. Okay, since the channel is my accountability partner, I'll tell you that I'm having FOMO now and I want to get in. But I'm not going to. Thank you, channel. But look at the Renkos. They just gave me flash. They blue bar. That means I can enter on the next down bar again.
For like 3 days.
I take everyone. Let's watch it together. I'll just remind you, I'm not trading this exact Renko chart. I have another one up on a different screen. It's very similar. This is the best that I can match Ninja to the chart that I'm following. I'm nervous now. I'm gonna go for 6. I'm nervous to give back some of my profits. I don't want to do that. I'll do 6s. That was a heck of a dump. Unless we make a really big recovery, it's possible we're gonna get a 1 bar and give me for a full loss. Of course, I'm predicting, and I don't have a magic
predicting negativity, not
or crystal ball. Actually, I'm just gonna do it for half size. It's coming close. Oh, it formed on my chart. There we go. Enter. Try and get a little bit of a better price. If I can on another piece. I have to get 57, 54. Wow, it's got to go to 60 for me to get a better price. That's 60. Oh, there we go. I'm short now at the right price. My stop is 71. Wow, look at that. That's a short, and I think this one's going to perform. I just got a short. Let me change the cam. I got a short signal that I coded in. We tapped into the fair value gap there, the bearish fair value gap. Order canceled. Shit, damn, I just took a loss on Counter-Strike. Okay, accountability partners. I'm supposed to be out of this trade and I'm not. So that's good enough. I get out. And now it went back in. I'm short at 56. It's short at 57. That's good enough. Well, that's really a shame about Counter-Strike taking a loss, but that's okay. This worked out for me good. Goodly. Order filled. Oh my god, oh my god. Close, 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 close.
No, me too, it's not closing.
Counter-Strike just went nuts.
It's not closing. My stuff don't close.
Yeah, there's order delays with the servers.
Shit, man.
You're lucky it's closing fast enough. Sometimes it doesn't close at all. And then it goes against you. Then you start to panic. You got to take screenshots so that you can make a claim. Especially when you're this close. I wonder if somebody is speaking. I don't hear, Woodchip, you know somebody's speaking?
Mike, pick a direction. Pick a direction.
I was gonna say you. Pecker, you better. Let's go dip one more time. Small risk, small risk. Let's get another 14 points out of this, so let's get down to 25. 15, sorry. 10 o'clock, news. I don't know if there is news, but I'm gonna make sure to be out by 10. Take a piece off, I got just one left. Well, I made 2 mistakes today. Okay, that's good enough. Bang, I'm over 500. Make sure all my strategies are turned off. I don't have a lot of time left. Strategies off.
That counts, right?
Oh, even if it's 2 cents. Yeah, you a penny.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, everybody celebrate. Alex passed his account.
Yeah.
The 150K account. Give a like. There's weak news at 10, except your... Oh, yeah, I remember someone saying medium. Alex passed his account. 150K. As he got close to passing. Oh my god, am I making mistakes today? Yes, congratulations. What chip gives you a pat on the back?
Thank you.
Wow, look at the 5-minute charts.
Can I close this for you? There's no way.
Why don't you do the other account? It's a great day.
I have to study.
Oh, okay.
I have my exam soon.
Oh, an exam. Look at that. He comes in just before studying. We'll close down and take the power off completely. Wow, look at the market melt away.
Crazy, huh?
Yep. Yes, I'm happy with my day. These PA accounts are daily fair value gap. I'm trying to open up my top step charts now. Daily fair value gap. I need a 5-minute chart. I don't have any. Missing another short trade here while I'm Trying to get... Don't close your thing, until I get mine open anymore. Right. I just missed another really good trade. You close
I closed it on a red. You know how long it could take to open up? It's supposed to take you less than 5 seconds. Don't close it.
It's not. It's hanging, so don't close it. So just, you know.
Next time I know.
I can't even get...
I even showed you that it was on a...
It
was on red. I closed it because it was on a red. I said, look, it's not on a white.
Wood chip says, just relax.
Didn't say it.
It's a good day. Don't make me aggravated. I'm going to make mistakes. Yeah, I like yelling at you. You like yelling at me? I'm tempted to put back on... yeah. Why? There won't be any more. I'm missing them all. After this, there won't be any more trades. There won't be another trade. And I only whine about missing I only whine about missing winners. Finally, Jesus Christ, I see what they're talking about. The boys are complaining about lag on the Wi-Fi. Yeah, if you're not wired, man, is it slow? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm clearing my throat so often. I don't know, this damn cold. It's gone. I mean, I'm not sick anymore, but... this is just the remnants, the remainder. Wow, now we're doing the opposite. Okay, so... wow, look at that dump on the 5-minute chart, eh? Whew. Making a couple of changes here to my charts, so this I don't need over here. That's the daily. And this is going to be crude. I'm going to put it up over here. There's no point in having it on another screen. MCL04. It's a 5-minute chart. And did I save the template? Probably not. Didn't have time. Save as. What am I going to call it? 5-minute chart, white. It's not white. Let's just call it 5-minute chart crude. Save. It's not white. I'll tell you why it's not white. So I don't make a mistake and think it's NQ and trade off it by accident. There we go. So since it's here, I can get rid of it here. And let me put up the strategy that I coded. And I can show you the trades, maybe not right now. Boom. Well, it doesn't take the trades, it just marks them off with black box. Anyways, we'll look at it later because it's not supposed to be up right now. This chart's supposed to be up. So it matches with the 2 5-minute charts. And where are we? We are looking to go long. I'm a little bit more organized now. Okay, just relax. I didn't take a trade. Oh my God, you didn't take a trade yet. Wow. Go long. Yes, my first trade is a long from the bottom. Way to go. Mr. Selectivity. I'm proud of you. Okay, accountability partner, web stream, out for 35 points, excellent. I just wanted to go short here, which was going to be an impulsive trade, and I didn't take it, and I'm telling on myself. The next trade I should be taking is in this account, and it should be for an 8 lot, but I'm cutting down my size to 4 lots because I did well. I'm up 535. It's a 150k account. I'm good with that. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the full view here. I want to see what's going on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart. We never swept the Asian highs, came damn close. We wicked through the previous day's close on the 1 minute. Oh no, that's the 15-minute. Sorry, that's true. So I'm looking at the 15-minute. Yeah, that's right. On the 15-minute, we wicked through it. I'm gonna take a look what that looked like on the 1 minute, but then we just fell off a cliff. I go to the 30-minute. Is there anything? Wow, look at, we just went through these two like butter. I didn't expect that at all. Let me stretch this one out now. Okay, well, I can see why we bounced off that. Like that at the 21,960. Now we're in between two levels. Let me make this chart as small as possible. Yeah, I see this. I see why this level here created such an aggressive bounce. Good catch there, Woodchip, actually. I'm curious, at what price did you go long? I was too late and didn't want to FOMO out for 30 minutes. I'm curious, what price did you get? Did you get close to that bottom there? See, I wouldn't have bought that. You know why? Because I don't, for me, what I'm seeing here is it was resistance. And I'm not a resistance axis support guy. I like to use, if I see resistance, I want to use it again as resistance, be under it. And support, I want to use previous supports as support, which is like, I remember this one over here, this consolidation right at the left side of the chart. I still remember this 14-hour period. That I think it was 14 hours. It just went nowhere. That's 21,900. Okay, the 1 minute chart. What happened with 50-50? Oh yeah, 50-50 went short right there, and that's when it was all screwing up. Caught a really nice short, but the order entry system I'm using, what did I do wrong? I made an error. I think I used -2 instead of +2. You don't know what that means, but it's how it adjusts the order. I went in the wrong direction. So it was always... I was always running from price. Anyways, I'll fix it. That's an easy fix. I got 02 to 37. Okay. I hope I'm on the right account because the Renkos just went short. Let's put up the Renkos for you guys. Since that's what I follow, you might as well be able to see it. I'm gonna add at 08 if I get the opportunity. And I'm trading smaller size. I said opening drive lost again today. But the PA account's only down $4. That's because I took a partial at 20 or 30 points. I don't remember anymore. Oh wait, that's my 08 ad. I missed it. Shit. Could have gotten out those extra pieces, and which would have been the equivalent of getting out break even on the first one. First in FIFO, first in, first out. And I would have had a better price now on my short at 08. Now I'm doing it again, but second time around is always bad. Okay, I gotta get out. The trade was completed. As you can see in the Renko, we have a blue bar. Same thing happened on my chart. Hey, that's cool. I didn't even notice. Counter-Strike is up $100 on my Bulenox master account. Okay, that's cool. 1 minute bullish fair value gap acting as support. Oh wow, look at those. I forgot what those are. Those are 2-bar reversals, the color. So that was a 2-bar reversal for the long side. I guess we were reversing this bearish fair value gap, and then this was a 2-bar reversal of the bullish fair value gap. Yep, there's the bullish fair value gap. 1, 2. This is what I was looking at over here. The 2 reversals of the fair value gaps. 16. Wow, you could have gotten 30 points going long on that one. And this one, 16 down to 94. 16 plus 6, 22 points on that trade as well. Bullish fair value gap acting as support. Yeah, I read that already. I'm going to take a small short here. A 2 lot. My stop is 74, which is the upper price channel. My target is 950, 80 points away, the bottom price channel. 30 is 30, I'm up 12. Come on, give me 12. Give me 20 points. Come on. I don't want to take, I'm getting out of one. I don't want to take 30 points risk on a 2 lot. Why, you ask? Because I'm only supposed to take the first one, not the second one. Then, being my accountability partner, I'm talking to myself here, really. Why am I in the trade if I'm only supposed to take the... Oh, look at that. My charts froze. Yeah, I'll get out. I'll get out. I'm not supposed to take that trade, and the Renkos went long, and I missed it. I was watching 2 different systems. Got to be careful for that, though, if I'm running 2 different systems. I can get punished. Go long, go short, won't even realize it, and then I'll lose my accounts. So I got to make a note. Automated strategies, 1 per company. Because I will forget. Auto strats, 1 per... Fuck you with this stupid fucking pen that doesn't work. Okay, Counter-Strike is set to run up 50 points. Good job. You like the Spanish music? What chip in the background? I created all those songs with AI, believe it or not. Believe it or not. Okay, the oil trade. Let me just change the background color, something not as crazy as this fuchsia or indigo, and I'll show you the trade. Well, I need something that'll let me know I'm on the wrong chart, or I'm on a chart I shouldn't be trading. Anybody want to suggest a color? Cornflower blue. Let's see what that does. Apply. Yeah, I like it. Okay, cornflower blue. So, I like that it's not loud. Inside bar during the hours of the background that I painted. The colors I chose, and I just chose my favorite colors, the green and the chocolate, but they don't signify short or long in this case. You get an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. During the period where the background is colored, you go long the break, either the high or the low, and you use the previous candle as your stop and to measure out your target. So this one went 1 for 1. Let me remove it. You can tell the entries by I put a black body, a thick black body around the candle. So this is another inside bar with an entry. I'm not even sure this signifies an entry with the thick black, but I think it just identifies the inside bars. And we broke it to the short side. There's your stop. We went for 1 to 1. Delete. Here's another inside bar. Third trade of the day. This is on the 5-minute chart on Crude. And this one went from 72.56 to 72.44 and got its 1 to 1. So 3 1 to 1 trades. And if I go back yesterday, there we go. Boom, 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 boom. There's your one trade in black. And obviously we can see it went 1 to 1. That's 4 for 4. If I go back, 5 for 5. And go back one more day. Does it show over here? 6 for 6. That might be a candle. If it is, 7 for 7. If it's not, we're 6 for 6. Target filled. Counter-Strike. Well, I'm showing you guys. Target Counter-Strike made me money. So that's the trade. Do you like it? Songs are a shame on society. I was proud of my work. The dumbing down of music even further than it already has been thanks to the move toward a drone of sound. I like bands like Steely Dan. Yeah, Steely Dan is good. My son was listening to Creedence Clearwater Revival yesterday. Can you believe it? A 23-year-old listening to Creedence Clearwater Revival. He couldn't even pronounce the word Creedence, but but they're pretty good songs. I mean, I'm very impressed with the quality. I don't know, you're saying dumbing down. Listen to this one.
Got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it fall, figure out how. First that fever got me shook. Body talking,
I mean, it's catchy. You can't say it's not a catchy tune. Yeah, it's Jennifer Lopez-ish. I don't know. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. And you're up 100 points. I'm up good too. I'm in a good mood. I'm up 500. One PA is down 4. One PA is down 110. In the sim, well, that was the blow up with 50-50 strategy. It should have been up big time. Oh, let me get off this chart here. Yeah, it was short. It was short from here, right there. Am I on the right chart? One chart cam, yeah. 50-50, shorted there. But then everything went wacko, and it froze my charts because of that stupid, I don't know if you saw the way the orders were getting all screwed up. Wow, and the opening drive play, what a shame. It stopped me out by 3/4 of a point. Opening drive. You can't see it now because of the drastic fall, but stopped me out by 3/4 of a point right there. And I wanted 50-80 points today on what I was holding. I would have got it. Damn it.
From Miami to Madrid, we keep flowing. Coast to coast, the moon is growing. And like higher of a club, we unite.
I should mark the midnight open on the ES also.
They try to stop us, but we rise higher. We hunted dancing through the fire. No passport needed when we rock. Yes, the remote breaks the deadlock. Feel it come.
Anyways, let's get back to business of making money. Yeah, but the problem is people with no musical bone in their body can create music and flood the market with generic music that sounds, which will make it harder to be heard. I agree with that 100%. Absolutely, I agree with that 100%. And it is generic because I changed my prompts around. But yeah, the songs... I can't tell you how many songs I delete because they sound so similar to another song that I created. Actually, music with words I just started now. I was really just creating lo-fi. I wanted to have my own tracks, you know, for when I play, when I trade. I didn't want to worry about copyright strikes, so I said I'll create lo-fi. It's good enough. It'll play quietly in the background. But then I started creating a few songs with words, and I said, wow, that's good. I was impressed with what I was able to do. Anyways. It is what it is. I think I'm going to go full size if I get... If I get... come on, gimme. I hope I don't lose on this. I couldn't get full size. I'm only half size. And I'm at a worse price. My entry was at 85.78. Now I'm in at 79.75. Anyways, my risk is less also because we went up one bar. Wouldn't be a full loss, but I'm even going to get out of 2 lot. I'm not happy with the trade. I think that's it for me. I'm not going to be taking much risk anymore today. I can kind of add a 2 lot here. That's 78 by 77. Flash there, 77, 75 flashes. Inside bar on crude oil just formed. It should have. I think it did. Why did I just get an audible alert? I don't know. I did. Oh no, that's sorry. This is the audible alert. And it's a short. I don't think this one's gonna... That's just an alert that a short could form. In order for me to go short with this signal over here, we would have to close below at least the bodies of these 2 bars here. just to let you know. So it doesn't mean go short. On the other hand, these mean go long. This is go long on that bar, and this is go short on this bar. I don't know, I'm over 550 on that PA. I'll take it. Okay, I got some messages to catch up on, some reading to do. Real music creators and songwriters will have an even tougher time. Yeah, well, they're actually even suing, I heard already, because their AI is using their voices or similar voices and their styles. It's cool though, I'd like to mess with it. Yeah, probably the best songs were the Wood Hip, Chippy. I'm recreating, not that one, but I'm sort of recreating it, the old stuff. I deleted them all. All my old stuff I deleted. The wood chip one, and it's too bad, man. It's too bad I wouldn't play it again. Shit, damn. Now you make me feel bad. I liked it. It was cute. But I am recreating one of the older ones. Unfortunately, the AI is not pronouncing some words correctly. I don't know if I ever played it for you, my my rough drafts. Hey, did you go through that file I sent you, or the whatever, for the email from Apex showing all the rules? All the rules that they no longer require you to follow, and the few that they require you to follow, you know, their slimmed down version, their Apex 3.0 that people complain about. I don't know why they're complaining. I have an easier time seeing price on this chart than I do on this chart, and they're both 1 minute charts. Can you believe it? And you know why? I'm a price channel, I've been a price channel trader for 10 years, 15 years. 20 years. That's how I see price well. You know, people say, oh, change a character, break a structure. Yeah, well, if your price channels are set properly, they'll identify it for you without you having to look. Like having gauges on an airplane. But anyways, I won't keep it there. I'll keep it up here. Ah, get out of the way, you stupid mic. Cuckoo. Hey, nice. 60 points. On a PA? Sorry, I think you guys caught me daydreaming. Wow, look at my Bulenox. Up $160 trading Counter-Strike. Micros. 3 lots. I'm very good. That's $6. That's almost 30 points. Yes, on a PA. Way to go. We're crushing it. Oh, Counter-Strike just went long. No, don't punish me. I was just going to close it. Don't punish me with a loser on the last one. I was just going to close it. I only have PAs now. Yeah, pretty much me also. That's not entirely true. I do have 2 Bulenox evals. One is like $30 from passing. I don't want to pass it until I never take a payout from Bulenox yet. I want to see if they're going to pay me. So I'm trading this master account. And I want to get to payout, and I want to see if they pay me. If they pay me, then I'll go and pass the other one and pay for it. But I'm just going to make $1 a day or something in it and keep it going. The monthly fee is only, I think, $13 or $17 or something like that. It's so funny. Okay, I managed to get out. Thank you very much. With not much damage. I think maybe I even added. I don't remember how much I was up. I can check the recording, but it doesn't matter. I was up, whatever, I don't remember, but now I'm up 154, and I am closing Bulenox. Cancel all orders, positions. But anyways, I never heard people having problems with it. I just want to see that they pay me, that's all. The 944 candle. For me, that's 945, I think. Yeah. Well, just to get into that fair value gap, we got to get over the previous day's low and VWAP. And then we're coming up to the midnight open there also. So with the kind of selling we saw, the market has its work cut out for it. But I'm sticking around today because I'm having a good time. The only one sore spot is that PA $110. That's a 25K account also. First trade was a loser, and I kind of didn't oversize. I added where I was supposed to add. And I think I even had an opportunity to take care of it and fix it, but go into Only Futures Trading channel. Go give them a shout out. Go say hello. Yeah, if you want to. I'm not. Almost sounded there like I was ordering you. Go give him a viewer for a little bit. He's also struggling. He's got 2 watching, and one of them is me. The other one is probably him. Who? It's it doesn't show. Only Futures Trading. Only space Futures space trading. Oh, I thought I didn't know that. I thought you guys. I thought you were like aware of his channel already. Also, he's the guy that comes into my channel. Remember once when I said he's typing? I knew he was typing because I saw him in his stream. I keep his stream up, and I saw him typing, and I know he's typing to me. So that's why I said. Remember last time I told you a message is going to appear? It's like spying on him almost, but of course it's not. It's funny though, it makes me laugh. That's what I was talking to you about, that I wanted to create a little environment where small channels support each other. You know, I'm in his a lot more than he's in mine, but that's okay. My account was at 23,750. Woo! Yeah, it's close to I think he just made $2,900. Shit, damn. Anyways, doesn't matter what other people are making, right? Excellent. Just took an excellent trade manual. I love it. Being selective. On my Bulenox account, I remember I was up 150. Now I'm up 304. Way to go, boobies. Way to go, boobies. Go type in his chat. I think you're there. I see it went to 3. Type in his chat, and I'm gonna type. I go, do I know you? But then again, I don't know if you go into his channel, I don't know if you still hear me. He's doing so much better than me, though. That's because he posts videos. I gotta start posting videos. We were both at 29 at the same time. I'm on my phone. Okay. We were both at 29 subscribers at the same time. He's at 81 now. And I'm still at 29. I'd have to leave your stream. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can leave. Oh, I got a long. Let's take it just for 2. See if I get a better price. I'm long at 71. I should be long at 78. Wow, I got a very good price. By being neglectful and not watching my charts. My stop is at... Hey, I'm stopped out. Okay, 30 bucks. Take me out. Let's go. Don't go anywhere. Take me out. Take me out, I said. Come on. Don't make... There we go. I got a better price in, a better price out for a full loser. Full loser, what does that mean? Change accounts. Let's pick another one. Let's pick this one. Oh, I hate when that happens. I don't know why my screens just disappear. Now I gotta bring them all in one at a time. What a stupid feature Windows has. Which one is this? Okay. That's that. I gotta bring in the this. Is that everything? Gotta put it up. That. And finally, let's look at what the volume is anyway. 678. Nothing spectacular, but the average range of the 1 minute candles is 17 points. That's good. 32 is a $50,000 account. A $50,000 account is supposed to trade a 4 lot. So I'll start off with 2. 78. I'm long at 79. Nothing better. Not a better entry. Yeah, I lost the chat. What chip? In case you're there. My screen's went buggy again. It's too bad I'm not in a 4 lot over here. Shit, damn, I wanted to take one off at plus 20. Just chip away a little bit. It's a new account, this one, I think. Oh, no, it's not. It's up a little bit. Damn. I'm getting out of this trade. Fuck you. That's all I can say. Okay, that wasn't a full loss though, it was a half loss. Okay, I'm back up. All my hours of overnight work 2 weeks ago got you subs. Yeah, it did. I don't know why you put your question mark there. Yeah, no, you know it did. The 22 trading, and there was like 2 or 3 people. Remember, they were even there they were waiting before I even started. The excitement didn't last long though. They ran away. Okay, I lost on that PA. What do I do? I gotta reevaluate. Shit, that's a long trade. I'm gonna take it. 50-50 long trade. Yeah, but you know what? Again, it's a piss poor entry. And if I lose, I'll be really, really angry. I'll get out of a 2-lot. Why it's a piss poor entry? Because 50-50 would have gone long right here. Right there with the stop. See, look how amazing that trade is. It would have gone long at, I can't even see what price it is. 62 with a stop at 56. Let's pop that in and see. And the target is the upper line. What are you talking here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is like an 8-to-1 trade if it hits. And the stop's even going to climb a little bit. I got in at a shittier price. I'm going to get out of a 1-lot. I'm going to let the other one go for the 8-to-1. It's not 8-to-1 for me. It's probably 3-to-1. Let's see what happens. So far it's not going anywhere. You know what? I'm glad I'm not watching the let me put in my stop. Sell stop. There we go. I don't have to worry. But I get distracted and I forget. Well, the only thing I gotta remember is to mute the mic when I clear my throat. Because I know it's annoying as hell. $300 in Bulenox. That's good. I like that. If I can get the target in 10 days, I'd be happy with that. $500 in that PA account. It's a 150, which means that's also going on a 10-day. That's what it should be. 10 days. 10 days to get the target. This was a beautiful trade, the one I have up right now. Like I said, I don't know if you heard me. That's the problem when you're talking to yourself. You don't know if the person heard you. Entry was there with the stop over here. And the target is up here. How much more can you ask for? That's why I love 50-50 is going to do well. I'm going to run it tonight. I just got to fix that problem with the order entry, which I know where it is already. I know what the problem is. I've seen that problem before. I inverted a number. I put a minus sign somewhere where I shouldn't have. Yeah, I'm eager to see what it does overnight. Stop me out. Okay, so it stopped out. But regardless, let's see what it did. The real 50-50 trade entering there with a stop over here. 1, 2, 3. It went 4-to-1. That one, it was up 4-to-1. Probably even more. I should fix. Yeah, you can frame some really good trades with this system. Let me try and change, add properties. Let me add 500, one more level. Add. Let's make it 500. Okay, templates, save as default, yes. Apply, okay. Yeah, no, it didn't go 4-to-1. Wait a minute, I'm not exactly in the right spot. Maybe it did. Haha, you see, if I really make it accurate, and even this is a little bit too low. It went 4-to-1 before it came back down. Yeah, target was probably 10-to-1, 11-to-1 on this trade. If you'd hold for full target. Oh, I have a short for me. Look at that. And I haven't taken a full loss in this account, so I'm in a little bit late. I should have been in at 50. I'm in at 47. Anyways, got back most of my loss. Like I said, I don't want to take much risk anymore. I'm pretty much in a risk-off position. I'm just sticking around because I'm having a good time. I created an intro for the videos that I'm going to start creating. You want to see it? Anybody want to see it? Anybody want to see it? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yay. Give me a something. I'm chatty, eh? You know why I'm chatty? You know why I'm in a good mood? Because using, I think, the channel as an accountability partner is going to help me. I'm going to confess every time I'm doing something bad. Or even having a thought of doing something bad. Like right now. I'm getting FOMO and I want to enter short. And how much money that's cost me. I always say, oh yeah, but it's going to make money this time. Yeah, but every now and then when I think it's going to make money this time, it doesn't. And then I don't have a stop on these things. Where do you get out on this kind of stupidity? I'm going to change the code on 50/50 because I want to watch it. I want to fix the code on 50/50 because it's going to go short soon. I can see. I didn't hear you. I'm just getting in the shower. Where's my strategy builder? Come on, pop up. I clicked it. There we go. I don't want to occupy screen space. Yeah, that's occupying screen space. Okay, let's make it a little smaller. Can't. Too bad. 50/50. Next. Enter long. Enter short. It doesn't look like there's an error unless I'm on price change. I'm on price change. Why would I be on price change? Ah, for the exit. So if I'm on price change, I'm talking it out. Put it on mute if you guys don't want to listen. This is how I think. I'm on price change. Enter short. Okay, what am I entering short? I'm entering short. I'm on price change. That's 0. It's always going to be 2 above. Okay, I see the error. I got to change. It's not a minus and a positive. It's a 0 that has to be turned into a 1. Enter short, enter long. Okay, now what about the exit orders? Exit long. Exit long. No, that wouldn't work either. I gotta change that 0 to a 1 also. No, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get rid of the extra. Wow, nice trade. Nice short trade. I'm missing it. Get rid of that. 4, go to 6. Edit. I'm almost ready to put it on the charts. And hey, bye. Love you. Kunka. Kunka. Fix. position, quantity. Okay, compile. Okay, I think it's ready to be putting on the charts. It's going back to 01. I didn't hear you. I'm just going in the shower. Compile. Let me get up 50-50 and I'll tell you what I said. Strategies. I'll put it on Sim 101. 50-50. Sim 101. Lot size 120. That's good. Wait until flat. Okay. Okay. So 50-50 can start looking for a short once we get a red background. And the short is going to be when we have a close above the midline. What was I saying before? I was saying that I created an introduction, an intro, you know, quick little intro. 10 seconds for, I'm going to start creating videos. And just saying, does anybody want to see it? But nobody said yes, so I'm not going to play it. I don't think I should trade Bulenox anymore. Up 300, that's good. Missed a crappy, stupid short. Shit, damn. It's not a crappy short. It was a good short. It's crappy because I missed it. Take a look at the 3-chart layout. Kind of looks like 7. Let's put 7 on the bottom over there. Let's match up the charts as much as possible. There we go. These still look thicker. I don't even know why. Data series. Bar width. Let's make it 2. That looks about the same. No divergence really. Everything looks kind of the same between ES and M and Q on the 5-minute charts. I keep those to see what's going on. Let's go back to just the enlarged view of the 1-minute chart. Oh, let me try one more trade. Fill me, there we go. I'm short at 12, and the system is short at 08. So I got a few points better. Hopefully this trade will work out. At 01, I will take my first piece off. Hopefully it'll be able to make it there. The ad is at 15, but I don't think I'm going to add. Like I said, I don't really want to put risk on. And since I got a better price anyways. Stop is at 22. I'm tempted to add. Because we're right at the stop level if it comes back down. This is no risk on this piece that I just added. Like 2 points. Well, assuming that doesn't happen. Is that a full loss? That was a full loss. So yeah, that account can't be traded anymore. Wow, that sucked. That's a barn burner ruiner of a day. Uh-oh. My daughter just called along at 02.
Escucho el llamado del tiempo en cada nota que tiento. Mi sangre baila por dentro al ritmo del instrumento. Encontré en el ático un sonido mágico, cuerdas todos y lo moving sobre mareco. Ancient more singing while my mind is ringing. Con este ritmo latino that keeps my soul believing. Melody ancestral, feel it in my bones now. Does it do this sound right? That I'm moving it to takes me way back when no sito el momento en gas and present blend flow. El sonido antiguo en mis venas.
Wow, how do I have a worse price? How's that even possible? Makes no sense. I got a better price and I had a worse price. I got ripped off. Ah, made only 50 bucks on that. I need an intervention. What chip can you be my interventionist? I'm pissed. I'm pissed. This is when I start to do damage. This is when I start to become self-destructive. What do you suggest as my accountability partner? What do I do? And if you say close up, well then I gotta close the stream. I can't sit here in front of the charts and not trade. So what do I do in this conundrum? Hurry before I damage my accounts. I'm fuming. Not joking. What did you do? I didn't do anything yet, but I'm angry because I did poor execution on this short over here, which I should have been short at 1 plus 14 at 15 or 16. And I don't know, just went bad. Now I'm really pissed. That's what I'm saying. Now I feel like just slamming the order buttons. This is the mood that you see at the end of my videos, which always happens at the end of the day. Isn't that interesting? Where I destroy my accounts. Like every move now, I just want to, it goes up a point. Go long, go short. I am sitting on my hands tightly. Step 1, I am closing my Bulenox accounts because they're up 300. The master account, the funded account. Can't call it funded, it's not funded. I feel like I'm lying. Cancel all orders. Let's keep myself busy with that in the meantime. Flatten everything. Okay, so Bulenox is closed. I'm short, but you're not helping me. What do you suggest I do? How do I prevent myself from causing damage? How do I stay in front of the charts and not do damage? Ah, that was a nice trade. That was the trade I wanted. You know, I still make a lot of errors for someone with my experience. Execution errors. I really don't fight for price enough. NQ is showing strength compared to ES. Oh! Wow! You know what? I'll just watch 50-50, which is on the screen right now. I'll see it take a trade. let's have some fun with it since it's on sim. I'm going to change the lot size and that'll be my entertainment. Where's 50-50? 50-50. Edit strategy. Lot size 1. Let's make it a 50 lot. Sim 101 just to make sure I don't make a mistake. There we go. So 50-50 should go short when we get a bar closing above. We didn't get a close above the midline there. We'll watch 50-50 go bananas on Sim 101. Change the account to Sim 101 so we can watch it. Hopefully it'll trigger. Yeah, I didn't drink a lot of coffee today. It's warm, it's good, and it's not too strong.
Tonight I'm here alone in this empty space, just the wooden floor and memories of grace, lost luces behind, no one else to see, just me. Bailo solo, 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 con el silencio a mi lado.
Bum 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 bum. That means I got an arrow. That's an interesting arrow. I'm gonna watch that one.
The chairs against the wall, they watched us dance before. Now they're witnesses. So what I'm looking for.
Let us hope that that arrow predicts the future direction. Let's go. Let's go, boy. You look like you want to go. You look like you want to go. You look like you want to explode higher price. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I don't have a bar timer anywhere. Bar timer. Where's my clock? 53, 7 seconds. I'm wondering if we're going to close above this bar over here. That's going to be pretty damn strong. Ah! There's your sell 50 limit. Okay, let's watch. Hey, that's wrong. That my stop is in the wrong place. Call in. Stop has to be there, but it's going to keep moving. Where's 50-50 before I get stopped out? The stop is there. Okay, the buy limit is in the right place, but the stop is in the wrong place. I'll have to check why. Let's watch it. It's on Sim 101. Personally, I think long is the way to go, but 50-50, the way it's coded, is short. And while you guys watch 50-50, I'm going to go for a bathroom break. Oh, wait. It's true. The stop's not being handled manually. Now the stop is here. See that? Okay, well, it needs to keep moving, but not by much more after that. So I got to go to the bathroom. I'll be back.
Fuck it was a night. No words, get it right. The bass hit different when you move like that shit. Saw you first the floor, down. Language burying, I'll get it down. Your body speaking loud and clear. Bet you feel the heat right here. Te quiero bailar. Don't need to explain. Side eyeing, baby. What? Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's a hook. No translation needed now. Let it go, we'll figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's a hook. No translation needed now. Let it go, we'll figure out how. Can't understand shit you say, but your moves ain't lying. Hey, got that international swag. Fuck it up, make the floor say. Get over a lot. Don't need to explain. Start riding, baby. Just let the beat bang. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how.
Hey, 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 hey,
Hey, fuck it up, fuck it up.
baila conmigo.
Go, 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 go. Toma me sure. First dance fever got me shook. Body talking, that's the hook. No translation needed now. Let it flow, figure out how. First dance fever got me shook. Body
Yeah, you know what? Every time I reset, every time I come back, I put on my cameras and I get rid of the be right back. What is that noise? I put the be right back. I get rid of the be right back, and I forget to turn my mic on. Sorry. I wasn't saying anything in English, actually. I was just talking to myself, telling myself how to fix the orders, because I had an order stay in. The take profit order stayed in. Okay, so where's 50-50? I closed it. Let me reopen it. Now it has a blue line, so it'll be looking for a long trade. So the last two trades on 50-50 were losers. Enter long. There's your stop. Enter short. That was your stop. Very close stops. Very large targets. And this one over here, enter short, and it just crushed it. So we'll keep watching it. What else? Ah, Crude. I wanted to bring you back to the Crude system and see. Okay, so here's another entry. So this was a winner, this was a winner, this was a winner, and this black bar. Let me just see. I got to pull up the data box to see the numbers. Did we break the low? We broke the low as a stop. 72.48. 48. Nope. That means we broke it on the high. So we can watch this one together. This is the trade. There you go. And you would have gone long on this bar over here. For me, a phenomenal entry is if you can get long at the 50% line. And then you're going to be targeting the 200 line. That's a 3-to-1 trade. So if you get a little bit of pullback. Here, let me show you. Once we entered over here, you can get a pullback. Oh, is that the wrong thing? Delete. Let me see which one I want. It's Control F12 maybe. Control 4. Oh, I thought it was F4. Control 4. Yeah, so your entry was right over here. But how I think I'm going to be trading it is I'm going to wait for a pullback to the midline. And I did F4 again. Delete. Let's see what other problems I have. I have dyslexia, I think. Now it'll work. There we go. So that's your entry. I'm waiting now for a pullback to the 50 line. That would be my entry. This is the official entry. But if you get in on the 50 line and then you target here, that's 3-to-1 because your stop is down here. That's how I like to trade this one. Futures trading, how are you doing? I did good today. I think, can you see my results? Yeah, you see my results. I'm down 88 on 1 PA, up 517. That's 150K PA. So that's 5617. The next one, $4 down. That's a 150K PA. And finally, the PA down 110. That's a 25K PA. That was the first trade of the day. It was a shitty loser. And in my funded Bulenox account, I'm up 330, I think, or something. So I'm happy with that. Have you taken any? Only futures trading? Have you taken any payouts out of Bulenox? Because I have another account that's going to pass, but I don't want to pay for it until I get my current funded one to a level where I can take a payout and see if they pay me. I don't want to give them another $150 if they're not going to pay me. I mean, I haven't heard anything bad about Bulenox, but they're so under the radar, you know? It's like nobody talks about them. There's no videos really about, I mean, there are, but you know what I mean when I say none. I wouldn't be... It wouldn't be Christmas colors without red. Ha ha ha! Green and red. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it. Yeah, you know what? I cycle through my accounts too. I heard you cycling through your accounts, but I do it, I think, a little bit differently. I continue on the same account until I have a loser. So that PA with the plus 517, it just kept, and now of course I trade larger size than on the 150K than I do on the 25K. accounts. But that PA plus 517, I think it had 3 or 4 trades before it had a loser, so it got up to that level. Yeah, when I have a full loser, I switch accounts, and if I keep winning, I stay on that account and push it as far as I can. They don't do any marketing. Yeah, I've taken out payout. Solid company. Okay. Yeah, because my Bulenox account... Oh, you know what? I closed up. I think I can connect Bulenox now. Let me just disconnect my... We're still watching oil. Oil is slowly climbing, going to target. Again, this was the bar that you would be watching for entry to break the high or the low. We broke the high. That's 1-to-1. Let us get back to these charts over here. 50-50. 50-50 could go long if we get a close. This is the strat that I'm testing. The code. It's full of errors. I already corrected one error. And I found some more errors. And I forgot what I was talking about anyways already. Oh! I asked before, but Woodchip didn't say yet. No, it doesn't matter. Forget it. Let's just watch 50-50, see if it takes a trade. I have it set. It's on Sim 101. It's down 1,527. I put it to 50 lots to make it fun and exciting. So if we get a close under the midline, it's going to go long a 50 lot, just to let you know. Don't have a heart attack. We're at sideways now. Yeah, I'm pretty much done taking risk today. Done for the day. 2 red, rest green. Excellent. 2 past evals. Perfect. I want to get payouts on my 2 150K accounts. I want to get $5 grand out of each one. I want to do it within the next month. That's kind of my target. Plus, I want to get, like I said, I want to get my Bulenox payout. So that's a 50K account. I want to get it up to 56K. Hopefully by mid-March. Around. I don't want to set targets or anything of 300 a day, but Bollinger Bands, no! Donchian channels, price channels. I love price channels. It's my favorite. It's pretty much the only indicator I use besides the ATR, the average true range, just to let me see the volatility of the 1 minute candles. I like them because they squeeze in after a certain amount of time passes, based on your period of the Donchian channels. So if I get a close, I mean here, I had a complete meltdown of my computer. I had to shut it down actually. But you know what? Let me make it bigger. Let me get rid of the bars that. There you go. So here we had a close above. Once we get a red colored band, we're looking for a close above. So there you get your close above. You go short. And well, the rest is history on that one. Then we get a blue bar. Now we're looking for a close below to go long. And that was the close below, but the stop's right there. A touch of the opposite side. Then a red band, close above, stopped out because it touched the opposite side, and now we're waiting for blue. So that would be a close below. We would enter, and the stop would be the price channel. But you see the price channel is already coming up. So once it comes up to here, you're like almost risking nothing. I love these trades because the risk, once you can survive the first couple of candles, if it doesn't just collapse on you, your risk to return could be 4, 8, 12 to 1. Huge. Only indicator that I like is VWAP. Oh my god, VWAP has cost me so much. Ask Woodchip. I took it off my charts for a while because I make decisions based on it, like, okay, I'm going to go long because we're over VWAP, or I'm going to go short because we're coming from below and we touched it. And, oh, well, my god, I damaged my accounts with that. Now I just use it as a reason to not take a trade. So if I get an entry signal at 22,105 right on VWAP, I'll pass it, but I won't use it for entry anymore. Win percent on which one? On the oil? Probably not, I assume, because we were talking about this one. I don't have those kinds of stats yet. I just coded it last night. I like the logic. Right now I'm just debugging the code. Like I said, I fixed a couple errors already, but it's not removing orders and it's putting the take profit in the wrong place, or the stop loss. I don't remember. I think it's putting the stop loss in the wrong place. So I gotta fix it. Now I want it to go long because I want to see if it's gonna put the stop loss in the right place for the long. I know it didn't do it for the short. But no, I don't have those numbers. I'm gonna work on it with the lines, yeah. But if you're watching here, the oil one, take a look at the oil. Let me just go back here. So the oil is 1-to-1. And this marks off an inside bar during this time period. Anytime you have a background green or orange, you can go take the trade off the inside bars. So this one was a 1-to-1. It hit the 1-to-1. Let me just get rid of the fib. I'm not going to draw them. This one went short. Your stop was there. It obviously got to 1-to-1. This one was long. You got your 1-to-1. If I go back to the colored periods, the day before, this one short. You obviously got your 1-to-1. That was the only trade. The day before that, this one you went short. You got your 1-to-1. That was the only trade. And this is a decent system. This one went long. You got your 1-to-1. This one went short. You got your 1-to-1. And I think that's it. That's all I have. Yeah, that's all I have for now. And now currently it's in this trade here, long over there, and go for 1-to-1. That's the original system. It goes for 1-for-1. VWAP, that style works well with stocks in my opinion. I'm using it more like longing under towards VWAP. Yeah, that's VWAP acting as a magnet, definitely. I see that. Definitely. VWAP does act as a magnet when we start to get close to it. I just got an arrow, I heard. I heard an alert. This arrow is not a trade. It's just to tell me that there could be a trade if this bar can close above the body of this candle here. But this was a trade. When you get a green line, a green background on this chart here, that's a 2-bar reversal. So this was a long right there. Those were these that I color coded, you enter immediately. So that would have been a buy right there. If I look back, this was a short right there. That was a long right there. And that's it for today. But the arrows don't indicate immediate entry. And we didn't close above, so that's it. That signal is over. Dead in the water. There's no more to watch for that. So I'm going to go back to 50-50. Why do I call it 50-50? Because that's the 50% line. Like I said, I just want to see it enter. Once it enters, I just want to see that it's if the long side is entering in to take profit and the stop loss properly. And I mean, I'll do it later on market replay anyways, but I'm sticking around. I created an intro for my videos. I'll play it for you guys. How do I get it out? Video intro. Oh, I got another, wait. Wait. Gotta get sound on. Let me see. How do I get sound on? I gotta go here. I gotta add output. Okay. And it is my headphones. Okay, that should work. Shut the lo-fi. Okay, so let me start it over from the beginning. This is the intro for my videos that I will be creating. You guys get the premiere. That's it. 10 seconds. You don't want it to be too long. That's what I worked on yesterday. Oh, that's from VideoBolt, just to let you know. I did that with VideoBolt. And I have a long signal. Where should I take it? Oh my God, 50-50 didn't even go long. It should have. Oh, okay. I guess I got to do more debugging than I thought. Why is it not long? Maybe I set a time filter and it stops at 11 o'clock. I don't think so. Edit strategy, 3:35 p.m. That's depressing. Okay, so 50-50 works like shit. 9 out of 10. It would be 10 out of 10 if there would be some hot chicks flashing some money. You know what? I had my daughter. My daughter called me a pedophile. Wait! Don't go anywhere. My daughter got so angry. Let me find the future floor girls. Hold on. And I had to tone it down. There's this girl. This is toned down. That I use for my automated strategies that I run overnight. So yeah, but that's the toned down girl. Let me find the other ones. Thumbnail. Hold on. I think I deleted them completely. My daughter got very angry at me. Let's see if we can find them. If they're still around. Not too bad for you. They're gone. Too bad for you. Too bad for me. Maybe in my downloads folder. It's not showing. Okay, forget it. I don't feel like looking. Oh well, okay. Yeah, it's not bad. I liked it. And like I said, that was from VideoBolt. Easy to create too. I even created one 9x16 for TikTok. Okay guys, I'm gonna go because I want to debug 50-50. I want to run it tonight, and I don't know why it didn't take a long trade. It should have been long, either on this one. I can't tell if it closed below the midline or if this certainly should have been long over here, and it didn't go long. So there's an error in the code again. I gotta go find it. So it was fun. Thanks for showing up. And I'll see you all tomorrow. How about I am overweight woman eating popcorn and trading on her phone? Fuck off. I'm going to do that, wood chip. I swear to God, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. She's going to be wearing a tight white t-shirt that says Futures Floor. I'm going to get in trouble for that. Can she be attractive or she has to be ugly? I don't know. Ugly or pretty? I'm gonna make her pretty. I don't want to be too mean. Pretty. Let me see. Popcorn. Trading on her phone. Trading on her phone. Ooh, look at that one. Where is she? I have to tell the Is she in her bathroom, in the bath? No, I can't be in the bath because she's got to be wearing a t-shirt. On the bus. From the recliner. That's going to be hard because you got to see her phone. You got to see that she's trading from the phone. So if she's in a recliner, it's going to block the view. Where could she be? Not in a restaurant. On a farm? In front of her TV. Okay, in her living room. Near TV in living room. But I'm also going to put her on a farm. Remember, she's pretty, so I'm going to put her in cowboy boots. Okay, side view. Yeah, well, they're going to figure it out. The AI will do it. Sounds good. Give me something to do besides debug my stupid coding. Wow, it's that simple code too. I swear to God, how did it not work? How did it not work? Okay, I give up. I gotta go look like a real lazy woman. Side view in front of her TV. Okay, I'll show you those tomorrow. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for showing up. Now I gotta find the close button. You think I would know where it is already? Ah, there it is. Bye, guys.
Te veo en la esquina con esa actitud divina. Sabes que no debemos, pero igual lo hacemos. Me he distraído, pero estoy bendecido. Cada vez que llegas, eso es perder en la cabeza. Every night at 12, I lose my fucking mind. Babe, I'm bushy, can't leave you behind.